playtime while somebody helps me change their pen. What do you guys think? Got a new spot to play in, huh? Uh-oh. Jolly's complaining in the other room. Look at the tails. Who are you? Let's see. That's Rocket. That's Firefly. That's Sparkler. That is Willow, and that's Crescent. Hello, hello, you are so playful. You are so playful. Yes, you are. He's a good boy. He's a good boy, Rocket. Yes, he is. Oh my goodness, you are so playful. Yes, yes. And sister's gonna attack you, huh? Hi, silly boy. You want some loves too?